I think the most unique thing about the Metcalf Institute is the two-way communication that occurs between scientists and journalists.
They provide scientists with training about how to communicate their science to the broad public, including journalists, and then they also do the flip side.
Metcalf Institute sits at a unique juncture. We support the public understanding of science. We support public understanding of environmental issues. We support training for journalists and training for scientists.
The general public is funding our research and they often don't understand our findings. I think that's one really important reason that we have to connect more and connect our research directly to education and educating the public.
We don't think carefully enough about how somebody who's not familiar with that needs to sort of start with and understand it. Science has its own language, just as journalism has its own language. Part of the training that the Metcalf Institute provides is sort of understanding both languages, both sides.
When you hear some terms, it's one thing, but when you hear the scientists or the people involved in it, that's when you say, oh, this is how I should word it, which is key for us journalists.
Individual donations to Metcalf Institute mean we have much greater flexibility in our operations on a daily basis. Even a small donation makes a very large difference.
Newsrooms nowadays typically don't spend a lot of money on training, so I think it's really important that Metcalf provide some support, because it's a way of saying this matters to the newsroom and to your editors.
Thanks to programs like this, we're able to bring these stories to the public.
I'd like to thank our donors for supporting the expansion of accurate news coverage and deepening public understanding of science.